Alright, so I am currently homeless here in South Florida on the Treasure Coast with my one and only, my little rider. Say hi, baby girl. Say hi to the camera. You wanna say hi? But as you can see, there's the book bag, sleeping bag. Some lady gave us a towel. Nice lady. This is where we're staying. I don't sleep on the bench. I sleep next to the bench. Yeah. Best place to be when you are homeless is this park, Salerno Basin Park. Of course, Florida alone is the best state to be homeless at if you're ever homeless. You ain't gotta worry about the cold. The cold sucks. This is my second time being homeless with my dog. First time I was actually able to sleep in a steel body Chevy truck in the middle of winter. Didn't run, but at least I had something. Yeah, this is where I'm at. Those of you that's been along with me, trying to watch me do the trailer thing, it didn't work out. Got into it with the guy I was living with. He's a piece of crap. 32 years old. 72-year-old grandmother takes care of his son and takes care of the horses and takes care of the entire property while he has no job, sleeps till 3, 4 o'clock every day. I'm a man. I work. I provide for me and mine. I work every day I possibly can. Of course, now it's harder. I got my dog. It's not where I wanted to be. It's where I'm at. But we'll get there. We're going places. Just looking for opportunity and go from there. But yeah, this is the best part of where I'm at. Getting steady breeze. Even when the sun is beating down on you, get a steady breeze from the water. And I'm away from the mosquitoes for the most part. Of course, you see houses in the background. I'm in between a neighborhood. Funny part is I'm between two streets that I had actually once lived on, once as a kid. Anyways, about to start doing some documentaries of my adventure being homeless with my trusty companion. Look at her, she's so cute over there sleeping. She's wore out. Not used to walking around so much. She's been limping all day. So, I'll take it easy. I can only go so far with her. I can keep going, I can keep moving, but when you see her panting and falling out, he's getting to her, ain't good. It ain't good. But if anybody's in the Treasure Coast area, Stewart, Salerno, places like that, you see this video, give me a shout out. I could really use some assistance. Even if you don't help me, at least help that little girl over there. I don't know if you saw her, but yeah. It's my pride and joy over there. I ain't giving her up. You guys have a good day.